Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So guys, have you tried a lot of things to get rid of your stretch marks and they are not fading away? They are still there. You've tried a lot of products, you've done a lot of DIYs and they are still there. Please worry no more, okay? Because in today's video I'll be showing you guys the home remedy you can use to fade away stretch marks. Okay, the key word here is fade away stretch marks. Yes, because you cannot get rid of stretch marks using DIYs, using creams or any product. You cannot get rid of stretch marks completely using any product. The only way you can use to get rid of stretch marks completely is by undergoing a cosmetic surgery. That's the only way you can get rid of stretch marks completely. But there are some things you can do that will make your stretch marks to fade away. Fade away in such a way that the stretch marks and your skin color will now rhyme. They will now look the same in such a way that when someone looks there, the person will not easily notice that you have that stretch marks. Okay, so that's what I'll be showing you guys in today's video, the home remedy you can use to fade away stretch marks so it won't be obvious you have that stretch marks. Okay, so that's what we are going to be doing in today's video. So without much talk, let's get right into it. So for this treatment, you will need a clean plate. You go ahead and get aloe vera gel. Then add some amount of aloe vera gel into the clean plate. Guys, we are using aloe vera gel because it helps to soothe the skin. Aloe vera gel has cooling properties and it helps to moisturize the skin, boost healing of wounds, fight aging, and lightens the skin. It also helps to brighten blemishes on the face. So that's it. After the aloe vera, the next one to add here is bio oil. This bio oil is very good when it comes to fading scars and the stopping stretch marks. It also helps to fade away already existing stretch marks. Okay, bio oil is very good. It's really good. You can just apply just bio oil on your stretch marks and they will fade away with time. But this process helps to hasten the effect. Yes. So after that, the next one to add is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil makes the skin softer, smoother, and more supple. So go ahead and add it. It's necessary, but if you don't have it, you can skip it, but it is very important. Okay, you can use the capsule one. So after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. So the last one we are going to be adding is ginger. So add ginger because it helps to improve the health of the skin, because it contains antioxidants that protect the skin from UV rays and slow the breakdown of skin collagen, making the skin to look younger. So adding powdered ginger is necessary. Okay, so after adding it, you go ahead and mix it very well. Mix it properly, okay, so that everything will combine very well, guys. Yes, for this treatment, if you want it to last longer for you, you can go ahead and add cosmetic preservative like Lucida or Jamal. Any of it, you can add it to, for it to stay longer. So after mixing it, the next thing to do is to get a clean container. Transfer it into the clean container, then it's ready to be used. Guys, this treatment will help to fade away your stretch marks with time. It will help to fade away your stretch marks. Okay, so this is how you can actually prepare your own DIY stretch mark fade away cream at home. Okay guys, so right now let's go and experiment it. So guys, here I have the treatment with me. This is it. I have it with me. So how do you use this treatment? First, you have to take your shower. After showering, you go ahead and take small amount of it. Apply it on that place you have the stretch marks. Apply it there and massage it in a circular motion. make sure that it absorbs very well into your skin. Don't just apply and leave it. Once you apply it, you keep on massaging it until it dries a little bit. Okay, so that is it. Apply it anywhere you have stretch marks, be it on your thighs, on your tummy, wherever you have a stretch mark, apply it there. It will help to fade away the stretch marks and make the stretch mark and your skin color to look the same. Of course, with consistency, you have to be consistent. Yes, this you have to be consistent. One thing about DIY is that you have to be consistent for you to see result. You cannot use DIY just once and expect to see result. No, you have to be consistent for you to see result. Okay, so apply this 3 times in a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. Okay, so after applying it, you don't have to wash it out. Just let it sit there. Let it sit there. Try it every day with consistency. You will begin to see your stretch marks fading away. Okay, so the remaining one, you can keep it in the fridge for 5 days, and after 5 days, throw it away and prepare another one. I always like to prepare DIYs in small quantity. The ones I can use like 2 to 3 days, because there's no preservative in it. So it's always good to prepare it in a small quantity that you can finish within 2 to 3 days. Okay, but if you have anyone remaining, you can store in the fridge. After 5 days, please throw it away and prepare another one. So that is it, guys. This is how you can fade away stretch marks using DIYs. Okay, guys, so please, if you find this video helpful, don't fail to give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and share this video so that other people will see this video. You don't want to benefit alone. Share, please, so that others will also see this video. Okay, and thank you as you do that. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.